morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do our unicorn craft. Now, this not today, but next Tuesday, we're going to have our stories about Uni the unicorn and the return of Thelma the unicorn. So our craft that you can pick up next week, also on Tuesday, will be a unicorn. And you will get a purple piece of construction paper. You will get the letter U for unicorn, and you will get a nice oval shape for the head. You will get some yarn, and you will get two horns, an ear and a horn for our unicorn, and then an eye. And then you can glue it on your paper, and you will have your own unicorn. Also, I'm going to send you a paper home with a snack you can make, and I have made it here. Where you use marshmallows, and you use white chocolate. You dip your top of your marshmallow in white chocolate, and then roll sprinkles on top of it. Put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes, and then you have your unicorn snack. Okay, and also I'm going to send home with you the recipe to do unicorn slime. Now, Mom, if you don't want to tackle this, that's okay. When we get our science back in the library, we'll do slime again. But you can buy glitter glue. You can buy a 6-ounce bottle of glitter glue in all different colors. This one just happens to be green. I did not have any pink, yellow, or blue, so I made my own by adding red food coloring to it. So if you have a red food coloring, you can make pink slime. For the unicorn slime, you need 3 different colors. You need pink, blue, and yellow. So if you have red food coloring for the pink, just 3 drops, no more than 3, because you don't want it too dark. And for the yellow, of course, you have yellow food coloring, and then blue for you have blue food coloring. So you will be able to make your own slime. And our recipe, you use contact solution and baking soda. That's all. And all you need is a bowl and a spoon to stir. And 6 ounces of white Elmer's glue, or if you buy the bottle of glue already that has the glitter in it. But please buy Elmer's, because there is a difference. If you want your slime to work, you need to get the Elmer's glue. So this is my pink, and I have gold glitter in it. So if you had rather mix your own, you can do that. When you get it mixed, roll. You split it in half and kind of roll it like this. This one needs to be worked a little bit because I made it yesterday. And once you make your all 3 colors, then you braid it just like you braid your hair. You braid it together, and that will give you your unicorn slime. I only made the 1 color, and that may be all Mom wants you to make. But you have your recipe, and it tells you exactly how to make it. So this will be in your packet that you can pick up on Tuesday at the library. Just call and request it, and we will fill it for you. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.